Time to crown the top player of the league, the most valuable player. Make some noise for the second season from the University of Santo Tomas Golden Spikers, the MVP, Josh Ibanez. Last year, he won this award as a rookie. This year, he became the fifth player ever to score 300 points in an elimination round. Indeed, Josh Ibanez is getting used to making history. Ladies and gentlemen, that is your MVP, Josh Ibanez.
Ano to? Sasabihin ko. Hello guys, good afternoon. First of all, gusto ko pasalamatan si God for these awards because I know siya nag-guide sa amin all throughout this season. And of course, gusto ko pasalamatan ang UST alumni, UST community, and the UST itself for being our backbone, for providing all our needs as an athlete. And of course, thank you kay Father, kay Ma'am Gigi, and the rest of sa mga tao sa UST. Thank you so much sa walang sawang pagsuporta. And to those people behind this event, thank you so much. For making it all possible, and thank you for giving an exposure sa Philippine men's volleyball. And ayun, parang of course, gusto ko lang shoutout yung family ko, si Mama, si Lola, si Kuya, and sila Mami G, and lahat sila dyan, sila Tito. Talagang lumuwas pa sila from Jensen to Manila para lang supportahan ako and ipapil sa akin na they're proud of me. Thank you, Ma. I just wanna let you know na ginabuhat na ako ni Tanan para sa inyo, ha. Inyuhan ng awards. I love you, Ma'am. And of course, so ayun nga, this year's AP has been very challenging for us. Like, we went through a lot of challenges before we got this opportunity na makapaglaro sa finals. But despite sa mga nangyari nung elimination round, yung semis, andito kami ngayon. Maglalaro kami sa finals for Game 2. And parang sobrang proud lang ako sa sarili ko, of course, sa teammates ko. And of course pala, I would also give thanks and credit and of course, share these awards with my teammates, with my coaches, because I won't be able to receive these awards without them. So, to Coach OG, to Coach Mape, to Coach John, to Coach JM, to Coach Boy, to Coach Fran, to Coach Pao, PT Migs, and sa lahat na tumulong sa akin na mag-grow as an athlete and as individual. Thank you so much po. And ayun, sa mga naniwala sa amin at patuloy na naniwala sa amin this season, thank you so much. And for those na nagduda sa amin, thank you din for giving the drive and motivation na ipakita sa inyo na kaya namin. And patunayan sa inyo lahat na kaya namin mag-finals. And of course, di pa tapos ang laban. Ilalaban namin ito hanggang sa dulo. And whatever may be the result, one thing is for sure, I'm so grateful. I'd be so thankful and grateful for all the new learnings and experiences that this season has taught me. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is your Season 86 MVP, Josh Ibanez.